good song never, no good song never. The first time they made you cry, the first time you felt life, no good song never dies. The wonder drug don't work no more, think it took too much. Your equity, make the caffeine be your weaponry. What is the reason there never was one needed? It's all around, but it weighs too much to slow you down. It's the time to act, cause the best defense is the timeless track. No, you don't own me, you don't even know me. But when they play it, you can't help but sing along. That's nothing odd, that's nothing wrong, cause a good song never dies. It just reminds you of where